everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. By the way, CJ Dropshipping is an all-inclusive website that assists dropshippers with all aspects of their business. CJ offers dropshipping services for product sourcing, warehousing, order fulfillment, and shipping, to name a few. We'll walk you through using these services on our website in this tutorial. So it's good that you have, or first create your account, CJ Dropshipping account, by going to CJ Dropshipping, or you can also go to Shopify and then go to App Store, look for CJ Dropshipping and create an account. So basically what I'm showing right now is the website of CJ Dropshipping. To go to this website, you just have to type CJ Dropshipping, enter, and then you can also go to CJ integration. If you go to CJ integration, you will see here the platforms that are supported with CJ dropshipping in case that you are a beginner. And if you want to know about CJ dropshipping and the platforms it supports, so you can go to CJ integration. As you can see, one of this is Shopify. So what we're going to do now is to connect our CJ dropshipping to our Shopify. And how are we going to do that? So basically now here in Shopify, you just have to go to add apps. If you can find the CJ Dropshipping here, you can go to Shopify All App Store or Shopify App Store and then search for CJ Dropshipping. Once done, press enter and then you will see the first one here, CJ Dropshipping. Click this one. Once you tap this, you can see this install button on the left side, but you can also look on more information about CJ Dropshipping by scrolling down here. As you can see, CJ products are supported or supportive of DIY, optimize a shipping method, import products, and so on. And then here you have to make sure that you click this install so that CJ Dropshipping will be now connected to your Shopify. Of course, you have to authorize first. That's the reason why I told you earlier it's better to create or to have a CJ dropshipping account in order for you to just simply authorize it by just entering your email address and then authorize. If you don't have an account yet, then create now. So by the way, to create an account on CJ Dropshipping, again, you just have to go to CJ Dropshipping and then create an account here. You can create through Google account, Facebook, and other social media platforms. Okay, so you just have to enter the following information here. And then after that, you can now create your CJ Dropshipping account. Click the circle below and then tap following and just wait for a couple of seconds. And here it is. This is the CJ Dropshipping website. So on the left side of CJ Dropshipping, you can see here categories or the products. For example, if you're looking for computer and office products or items, you just have to go to the left side. Explore here to see more features. But what we're going to show, or what I'm going to show you right now, is to look for products that we can connect to our Shopify. So basically, you just have to go to categories, or you could go to the search bar and then look for the specific product that you wanted to import to your Shopify. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I am now looking for some products that I can import. You can browse for some products here, or you can go to the search bar and then look for the specific product. As you can see, there are categories for product. If you look for like home, or let's just say computer sets, or everything is up to you. You just have to click that category and it will take you directly to this where you can see tons of products that you can sell. So let's just say I want to sell a humidifier, okay, like this, and I want to push this, or I want to import this to my Shopify, and I want to connect my CJ Dropshipping to my Shopify so that it would be easier for me to just import products from CJ Dropshipping to my Shopify. So you just have to click the list button below and it will take you directly to this where you can add product type. You can check your Shopify store above if it's the Shopify store account. Okay, make sure. And then add product type. Add anything here that is needed, tags and whatsoever. Also, the item's price is indeed very important. So there is also this recommended listing price if you don't have any idea the price of the product. So it will somehow give you an idea, but you can change this and you can create or input your own price if you want. Okay, so once done, just save. And then for this, you can just simply add images that you wanted to add or you wanted to use. If you think that some images or photos are unnecessary, you can delete. You can also add more information if you want here. And then after that, tap List Now. Wait for a couple of seconds till you see this listed successfully. The product has been listed to your store successfully. You can tap this View It in Store. It will take you directly to your Shopify store, or you can just go to your Shopify, go to products that you will see there, the products that you have imported from your CJ Dropshipping. So as you can see, these are all the products I have listed from my CJ Dropshipping. You can tap this and then change everything here, even the title, the product information, the outline. You can add insights, change market, case status. You can delete some pictures right here, and you can also add some pictures if you want to. So you can change the product description, case or category, variants. You can add variant if you want. So there are tons of things that you can change here, do here inside or exclusive only for your Shopify. So if this information cannot be edited or input to your CJ Dropshipping account, then you can do this inside the Shopify store or account. So that's it. Feel free to change everything here and then save. And you can add or list more products if you want. So simply just go to CJ Dropshipping, make sure it's connected to the right Shopify store, and then look for that product, list the product. Okay, add some information. So I'm going to show you again. Let's just say this product right here. This is the advantage of connecting your CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify. So look for that product and then click list. Okay, tap list here. After that, you can change the product's description. Make sure that this one is the correct Shopify store. Add something for the variant, for the price, anything, or delete, add pictures if you want. And then once you're okay, then what you're going to do is to click list it now. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then once done, you will be notified that this now added to your Shopify store. So basically, that's it. Just create Shopify, connect your CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify, and then go to products and list it now. So basically, that's how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next tutorials.